Hello. Hello. Yan. Mga kawok, good evening or kung gabi na, good night naman with the trees of truth. Ako si hashtag Walk with Lan. Ako si Lan ng hashtag Walk with Lan. Inyong host ha, at welcome sa simpleng kwentuhan natin sa araw na ito. Imagine this ha, baha sa Bulacan. Hindi lang tubig ang lumulubog, pondo ng bayan din, pork barrel na nagiging pork feast para sa ilang matataas na opisyal at sa gitna ng lahat, si Senador Rodante Marcoleta na parang detective sa isang Pinoy Noir film. Obsesa sa Witness Protection Program, bakit? Distraction ba? O hidden agenda na magiging game changer sa laban ng korupsyon? Kamusta na, Youth Squad? Yung mga Gen Z at millennials na na-scroll sa TikTok pero secretly binge-watching Senate hearings. Tonight, we are diving deep. 60 minutes of couple of facts. No? Hindi po 60 minutes yan, kundi couple of minutes. Wit at intellectual shade modeled after the legend himself. Hashtag Walk with Lan. Remember, no? Yung tipong intellectual takedown with heart. Walang filter, puro katotohanan. Simpleng kwentuhan lang from the original scene of pork barrel to Marcoleta's obsession na turns out to be pure vigilance. Ready? Let's walk. Okay, tayo munang magkwento ha. Simpleng-simpleng kwentuhan like halo-halo sa init ng politika. Picturein nyo to ha, 2022. 2028 elections, no? Baha sa Bulacan na parang everyday drama. Pero behind the scenes, DPWH Bulacan First Engineering District headed by Henry Alcantara receiving funds na supposed to fix the floods. Pero instead of dams, nagiging dam ng kickbacks. According to Alcantara's testimony on September 23, boom, no? 20 to 25% kickback sa Senators Jinggoy Estrada, Joel Villanueva, at ako Bicol Representative Saldico. Mind-blowing, di ba? At yung pondo para sa re-election campaign ni former Senator Bong Revilla. Classic sequel to the Napoles pork scam, 10 billion pesos na. Tapos, sequel pa. Okay, imagine niyo ha, si Estrada saying, baha, that's just my tears of joy from these commissions. Okay, humor lang po yun, but facts muna. From COA reports at DepEd audits, names like Senator Francis Escudero at Nancy Binay popping up. Every way, karat. As the article says, pero wait, sino ang nag-lead ng probe na ito? Si Senador Panfilo Ping Lacson. As co-chair, pero si Marcoleta is the chair ng Blue Ribbon Committee. Yes, in this 2025 setup, Marcoleta took the helm post-election shifts. At bakit? Kasi he sees the rot. Pork barrel as the original scene. Without greed, walang scam. Traditional democracies. Lawmakers just wish lease projects. Pero sa atin, first insertions sa BICAM, billion peso level, greed on steroids. Okay ha? Enter the September 23 hearing. Birthday pa po natin yan. Alcantara drops the bomb. Pero biglang Marcoleta shifts to WPP. Bakit ba obsess? Tanong ng critics. Pero guys, simpleng logic. If you are protecting witnesses like Alcantara at Bryce Hernandez, you get more names, more evidence, hindi distraction. It's a strategy. Like chess, not checkers. Marcoleta's not derailing. He's building the case brick by brick. Okay ha, ito na. Now, let's get intellectual, mga kawok. Yung tanong ng lahat, what is Marcoleta's agenda? Yung Manila Times column, critical, saying he's the off tangent, budgeting Remulla on WPP. Pero let's flip the script. favor the facts from Marcoleta's own press release. September 8, significant developments expose the depth of corruption in flood control. He's not obsessed. He's obsessed with justice. Yung clash with Lacson over inviting Saldico, that's not ego. It's ensuring no sacred cows. Objectivity daw. Pero come on, in Pinoy politics, objectivity means grilling everyone equally. O parang sa basketball, di ba? Marcoletas, the coach calling timeout not to quit, but to strategize the comeback. Yung Vizcaya couple, protected witnesses na. Pero Marcoleta pushes for full WPP. Bakit? Kasi sila may dirt on house lawmakers. Abante question it, no? Sa HOR. If you protect them, mga kaibigan, mas maraming big fish lumalangoy out. Okay? O anong agenda? Simple. Full accountability lang. Hindi personal. It's pro-bayan. Remember his opening statement? Focus on ghost projects, favoritism, yung mga kabataan dyan. In a world of TikTok scandals, Marcoleta's old school, grit is what we need. Hindi viral, pero viral sa impact. Yung facial expressions ng committee, impatience daw. Pero sa akin, that sound of gears turning. Oh, these guys actually onto something. At si Robin Padilla, alay niya, take talking Bangsamoro restitution. Fair point. But Marcoleta's angle, protecting victims of corruption, not just historical wrongs. No shade to Padilla, pero correlation, zero. Marcoleta's playing 4D chess while others play patintero. Grabe, di ba? Mga kabataan, simpleng tanong lang. Simpleng tanong. Floods in your feed. Pero pork scam sa budget, connected. Yung 2022 funds na nawawala could have been your scholarship or flood-proof schools. Okay, Marcoleta's push. It's for you. Future-proofing the country. Kwento, no? Imagine Curly Descaya, whistleblower na, facing threats. Without WPP, tahimik na. Pero with Marcoleta's persistence, heated exchange with Remulla. That's far for truth. You may be disbarred, warns Marcoleta. Shade to lawyers protecting crooks, not us. In democracies, probes like this are checks and balances. Pero sa Pilipinas, banana republic vibes. As the article says, Marcoleta's agenda, reminding us, greed starts with insertions, ends with WPP protections. Okay, if corruption's a valiant art, kontrabida. Marcoleta's the plot twist hero. Not today, kickbacks. No? Mga kabataan, share this video. Discuss the group chat. Politics isn't boring. It's your playlist remix. Okay, let's analyze. No? Talaga full disclosure. My critics like sa Facebook post saying, Marcoleta questions objectivity kasi sa kanyang department fair. Yes, but he recused where needed. From his September 15 briefing, focus on transparency. DPWH scam agenda, okay? Alcantara's binabang pondo to Revilla and really echoes other stated greed as testimonies says. Okay, yung impatient sa hearing, that's privilege talking. Powerful politicians and comfortable with the real scrutiny. Marcoleta's single issue focus, laser sharp, not scattershot. For the Discayas, WPP means more names. Romualdez, boom! Bigger unraveling. Restitution isn't just money. It's systemic change, mga kaibigan. Okay, si Marcoleta po ay talagang nakukuha naman niya, no? Hindi po yung farcical inquiry as Lacson warned, but root deep. Okay, kwento natin. Tapos, Marcoleta's agenda, it's hindi personal, it's pro-justice, pro-whistleblower, pro-bayan. In this flood of lies, no, he's the dam holding back to the dam, to the scam, no? Thanks for this couple of minutes. Right, mga kawok, what's your take? Comment down below. Hero ba siya o may hidden plot? Now, the real agenda. Suportahan natin ang truth tellers, mga kababayan. Sa panahon ng kasinungalingan, ang katotohanan ang unang sinisikil. Pero kasama kayo, kaya nating ipaglaban ang tama. Sumali na sa aking YouTube membership. Tulungan ninyo akong manatiling malaya, walang takot, at laging handang lumaban para sa bayan. Salamat sa suporta, mga ka-walk. Sumali sa hashtag #WalkWithLan YouTube channel membership at maging bahagi ng laban. Like, share, subscribe. At sa mga susunod na episodes, more Pinoy politics with wit, stay woke, stay walk, at mabuhay ang Pilipinas.